I don't do fucking packaging. You're the expert. Bankers. Don't get me started on you. We'll move our business. Wise up. Or wise up. We'll move our business. People will walk with their feet. It's easy. Go to the co-op. Simple. They do it all for you. Go to the co-op. Use a credit union. Don't use banks. Hiya. I just want to talk about, not I just want to mention words. Drop it in there if you want. Pigeongate. Hashtag Pigeongate. P-I-G. E-A-G. Pigeongate. P-I-G. Pigeon and gate. Pigeongate. Hashtag Pigeongate. Ask real Natalie at real Natalie Rowe. Ask Natalie Rowe. Ask Natalie, our girl Natalie. Ask our girl Natalie Rowe at real Natalie Rowe. That's her address. She's blocked me. Good on her. I'm a pest when it comes to this. Nah, I'm not. Oh, look at that. Hashtag Pigeongate. Says it all for me. These are our rulers, apparently. The Bullingdon boys. They apparently get a baby pigeon and, well, I'll leave it to your imagination, but it's not nice. It's animal cruelty. Look at the hashtag Pigeongate. Hashtag Pigeongate. Hashtag Pigeongate. So there's photographic evidence. So one of the Bullingdon boys has photographs of her. There's photographic evidence. I want to see it. No, I don't really, but I want to see. There's a lot of people might not believe Pigeongate, but there is evidence. Hard evidence. Let's see it. And look at my teeth, they look yellow in this video. I don't care. I don't give a shit. Another thing, bankers, you break the law. I can't remember what law it is, but you're not covered by law to make cash out of the loans. The loans you force on people to put the public into debt and then claim back the debt with hard-earned cash to generate. You generate money from nothing. You're not covered by law. or the spirit of the law. Fuck you.
If you can fit a super king-size mattress in the back of a Ford Focus. If we can just read you this review.
Let's see. Ask McFarlane Robin. At McFarlane Robin. Look him up. I've signed up to his whatever it is. I'm signed up. I'm on the campaign for better banking. Move your money to a local public bank. Do your bit. Get away from these toxic banks. Stuff them. Stuff the city. Move away from the toxic bank. Put your money in a public. I put mine in the co-op bank, and I'm in a credit union. Credit union. I do business with them. I'm happy to do business with them. I've got no money, but at least that my money. I do business with ethical people that care about money and about me getting into debt and don't want me getting into debt. Whereas toxic banks sell debt in order to make money. Fuck them. Move your money. Do yourself a favour. Get into less debt. Don't pay your credit card. I'm not inciting a nation uprising. I'm not paying my credit card because in my eyes, I'm facilitating a crime. I'm encouraging this these banks. The MPs turn a blind eye to encourage. They turn a blind eye to the banks making money from nothing, and which they're not covered for. Which they're not covered by law for. Not the law when it was brought in for hard cash, when it was making when Mint was making money and when they were generating paper money. They are not covered for credit by making money out of debt. I'm not paying it anymore. Stuff them, take me to court, take my possessions, I'll film it, and I'll have my day in court. I'll film it. I don't know what I'll do. I'm winging it. I just know it's not right. It's not right. Fuck them. Hell about it hurts. Walk with your feet, walk with your purses. Stuff them. I'm stuffing this city in my own wee way. Come with me if you want. It's up to you. Ask at McFarlane Robin. MacFarlaneRobin. McFarlane Robin. He knows. A good source. He has a good source. He knows what he's talking about. Get onto Twitter and get onto his page. Ask the questions. He will provide the answers. He knows better than me. I'm monkey. I'm passing on information. Do it. Queen, you have no right to be on that throne. Abdicate. Give us a break. Let us all pee. You've spent enough time. Your legs must be sore. Pigeon Gate. We're on to you. Where's the evidence? Where's the photographs? What's the photographs? David Cameron, you've been shoving fucking pigeon up your arse. I want to see photographs. Well, I don't really, but I would like the papers to see photographs. I would like the public to be aware of these photographs. Zionists, you've had your day as well, I'm afraid. My friends will beat you out as well. Puppy the fucking dog! It's a puppy! Look at it! It's barking! Woof!